Okay, well, let's jump to that. It was number 6 on my list. But you mentioned Ladybird and quitclaim. Why could these be problems?
Well, a couple things. First of all, the term ladybird deed, I'm not really sure where that came from, but it's a lawyer term referring to a deed that essentially says, I'm going to deed this property to my kids now. They're going to have, basically, they're going to own it when I'm dead. In the meantime, I can live here, and when I'm gone, it goes to them. That seems, on a common sense level, pretty good. The problem becomes a couple things. Number one, you've basically gifted a part of that estate to your kids. That creates two problems. Number one, there's a tax implication of that, both at the point you give that gift, there's a gift tax problem, and there's also a potential capital gains problem when you die and they go to sell it. And the other problem, of course, is whether you realize it or not, and I see a lot of ladybird deeds where they try to mitigate that in the language, but the reality is you've basically put your kid on title. So if you go to sell that property, the title insurance company is going to say, well, wait a minute, we need son to come in and sign off. Well, if you and your son are at odds, and unfortunately as an attorney, I see that a lot, now the son's going to say, well, Mom, I'm not signing off on that deed unless you give me half the proceeds from the sale. And frankly, I've seen that a lot. So a lot of times people go into these situations assuming that their kids and them are going to get along forever. And when situations go bad, it can create a lot of problems you can't reverse.
Yeah, and that's just true in life. There's kind of a right way and a wrong way to do things in business and titling and real estate. And not that you expect problems with your own kids, but at the same time,
have a good exit strategy while you're still friends.
That's right.
Or get along.
That's right. Make sure you got it set up right in the first place so to avoid any future problems, right? This is the point to hiring the right kind of attorney to help you with that. Ron Thompson with Thompson Stewart PC is that kind of expert. In fact, if you ever need help, American Dreamer, thinking about titling issues with investment or estate planning issues with your own personal property or any of the discussion here, because real estate is such an important part of our American dream, give us a call anytime off air at 248-545-4700. That's 248-545-4700. And we at Michigan Real Talk will be glad to put you in touch with the people who can help you. A dream team of experts, or you can get in touch through the website, mirealtalk.com.
Yeah.